Thinking about replacing your roof? Why not turn it into a power plant for your home? Introducing the GF Solar Shingle Roof, the smartest way to upgrade your home with cutting-edge solar technology built right into your roof. This isn't just a roof, it's a complete roofing system backed by serious peace of mind. 50-year material warranty, 25-year labor warranty, 25-year solar production guarantee. And here's the best part, you can still get 30% back with the federal solar tax credit. But time is running out. President Trump recently signed a One Big Beautiful Bill, a new tax package that officially ends the 30% federal solar tax credit on December 31st, 2025. That means your system must be installed and activated by year's end to qualify. Permits, inspections, utility approvals, they all take time, so don't wait. We are Westshore Roofing, a GF Mass Elite contract with over 30 years of trusted service to Bay Area homeowners. We bring quality, reliability, and the best solar roofing system on the market. Act now. Lock in your federal tax credit, upgrade your roof, and your energy future. Call us today for your free quote, 408-221-7763. This is your chance to save big, go solar, and invest in your home before the tax credit disappears. Westshore Roofing, building better roofs, saving more energy.